know this is random, but why do I do this to myself though? Look at this little itty bitty plait. Who's supposed to take that out? Oh my God, so frustrating. You know what's worse? I could not find my small tooth comb.
This is me trying to take out that braid, y'all. Just frustrating. Seriously.
So anyway, today I'm styling both my daughter's hair. I'm starting off with my youngest, so stick around for part 1 and 2 if you want to see the end of both results. So let's get into this. So our hair has been freshly washed, conditioned, and detangled. And I think I'm just detangling the ends a little bit more here. I've decided to do just a few simple plaits in the front because it is way too much work trying to get those teeny braids out. Especially the way that I try to seal the ends off so that the hair does not come unraveled. It definitely becomes a pain sometimes undoing her hair. So I try to keep her plaits pretty large and not super complicated. So I'm gonna get some of that hair out the way, especially because I'm not doing as much to the back. That's what I'm doing now, just making a simple ponytail. And I'll get some of the other hair out the way on the side just by doing a quick bantu knot at the top. And I'll do the other side really quick as well. And here it is, y'all, regular good old olive oil. That's what I use on our hair. That's what I like to use on our body. Honestly, I use a variety of oils, but this is my favorite. I like to buy the most pure olive oil, preferably extra virgin, that I can find in the grocery store. To me, it's cheaper to buy it by the bottle in this way than those teeny little bottles that you might find at the hair store, which are normally mixed with other oils and ingredients. So that's just me. I like to use the grapeseed oil in the same fashion, the 100% grapeseed oil. I like that one because it's really light, so I like to moisturize my face with it. But anyway, I'm doing the first braid. Alright, y'all, we're gonna see in a minute if I learned my lesson from earlier, not being able to get that teeny braid out. I want to see if I'm actually gonna take the time to braid all the way down to the end, which I hope I don't, because it's never a pleasure getting it out. Okay, woo, I saved myself some trouble there, boy. Alright, moving on to the second braid. I just take the excess hair and I again do a bantu knot. So for this braid, I just decided to try something different, and I'm gonna braid it forward towards the face so that it hangs down, kind of like bangs, but it'll just be the one plait on the one side, and I'll probably do the same thing to the other side. Now if I would just get out the way, you could actually see me doing it. Alright, here I am, kind of still in the way, but I'm gonna move in a second and you'll see what I've done. I guess I didn't feel like moving the camera. All right, now see how I be doing too much? That's what I'm talking about. Why do I have to braid it all the way down to the end? You know what I'm saying? I gotta take this crap out still. Truthfully, it does make a difference when it comes to the little curl. You see that cute little curl at the end? the further you braid it down, the more of a curl that you'll have at the end, and that's what I like. If you're wondering what my children are looking at, she got her little show set up there on her iPad. That's what they're staring at. And as you can see, they're possessed. Stop touching stuff, girl. Mommy not done. The girl's starting to get a little restless. Usually her shows do pretty good at keeping her still and occupied, but I think she was due for a nap at this point.
Hold still.
That's why she keep moving around, my little Abby Babby. I actually share with you guys some of the tips that I use in order to keep my little one still.
Which are obviously not working right now, but
when I'm doing her hair, even when I'm washing her hair. So check that out. That'll be in the description. So here I'm gonna add a couple more braids, but going down towards her neck. And I'm gonna just add 2 or 3, and I'll do the same thing on the other side. This is the holding spray that I'm gonna use since the hairs on the side are so fine. She really ready for that nap though. That's another reason why I try not to do too many plaits. Mess around with her, because she is not going to have the tolerance to sit there forever. So here I'm going to join the smaller, finer braid with this other braid that I'm gonna put on the side so that they're connected together. And you'll see in a moment what I'm talking about. That right there. See? Alright, I'm gonna try to speed this up for you guys. So I'm done to one side. I'm about to do the same exact thing to the other side of her head. So this is how I joined the 2 braids together. The same as I did on the other side. I take the smaller, more fine braid and I just add it into the thicker braid. Now I'll complete the last braid in the front and then move on to the 1 braid in the back. And we're done with the front, so now we're just gonna oil the scalp again. I just like doing that while it's nice and fresh, and I'll move on to the back. Aw, our little chunky monkey looks so pretty with her hairstyle. She ain't paying me no mind, y'all. And this is how I ended up styling the back. Just one simple French braid going all the way down. I wish I would have been able to capture it, but she got so restless and was ready for her nap, y'all. As you can tell from the pictures, she was done. But she seemed to enjoy the style. She really liked the beads that I put in. If you want to see more of this look and her sister's look. Stay tuned for part 2. Abby, look. Look at sister. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment,